Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. In this video, we dive deep into the 2024 Mazda CX-5 XDL, exploring whether it truly deserves the title of the ultimate family SUV. Join us as we examine its sleek design, spacious interior, advanced safety features, and impressive performance on the road. We'll also compare it with other family SUVs on the market to see how it stacks up in terms of comfort, technology, and affordability. Whether you are a growing family or just looking for a reliable vehicle, this review will provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Join me as I take the 2024 Mazda CX-5 XDL for a spin and see if it really lives up to the title of the ultimate family SUV. The 2024 Mazda CX-5 XDL is a serious contender for the title of ultimate family SUV, and today we are gonna explore its key features that make it stand out from the competition. With its sleek design, impressive safety ratings, and advanced technology, it's hard not to get excited about this SUV. But does it really have what it takes to be the ultimate family SUV? Let's dive in and find out. Families face a lot of challenges when choosing an SUV. One of the biggest concerns is space. Will the kids fit comfortably in the back seat, and is there enough room for all the gear that comes with family life? Another major concern is safety. Families want to know that their loved ones are protected in the event of an accident. And of course, comfort is key. Will the whole family be happy and comfortable on those long road trips? Choosing an SUV that ticks all these boxes can be overwhelming, especially with so many options on the market. But what if I told you that there's an SUV that's specifically designed with families in mind, a one that prioritizes space, safety, and comfort above all else? Families are often forced to make compromises when choosing an SUV, but what if you could have it all, the perfect blend of style, practicality, and performance? That's exactly what the 2024 Mazda CX-5 XDL promises to deliver, and we're about to find out if it lives up to the hype. The 2024 Mazda CX-5 XDL boasts an impressive interior space with ample room for passengers and gear. The cabin is designed to be comfortable and functional, with premium materials and clever storage solutions throughout. But it's not just about aesthetics. The CX-5 XDL also boasts a 5-star NCAP safety rating thanks to its advanced safety features like lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring. Under the hood, the CX-5 XDL packs a punch with its powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. But it's not just about raw power. The CX-5 XDL is also designed to be fuel efficient, making it a great option for families on the go. And with advanced technology features like a 10.25-inch infotainment screen and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, the CX-5 XDL is the perfect blend of old-school driving thrills and modern convenience. One of the things that really sets the CX-5 XDL apart from its competitors is its exceptional driving dynamics. This SUV is designed to be fun to drive, with precise handling and responsive steering that makes you feel like you're driving a sports car, not a family SUV. And with advanced features like G-Vectoring Control Plus,